how to change Instagram password in PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for instagram.com and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile option from the left side toolbar and further, tap on the settings option beside the view archive button. Now, in the pop-up that appears, tap on the settings and privacy option and further, tap on the see more in accounts center option. Now, under the Account Settings tab, you will see the Password and Security option. Tap on that. You will then be required to enter your current password and further enter a new password and then retype your new password. Make sure to meet the password requirements while changing your password. Finally, tap on the Change Password button and you will receive a verification code in the email address associated with your Instagram account. So, go ahead and enter the code sent to you for verification purpose, and with this your password will be changed. So, this is how you can change Instagram password in PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.